Let me teach you something about friend. Every friend have a next friend. So sometimes the people them you have as your friend don't have you as no friend.
Send on the link. Send on the link.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place and so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Line and line, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV, you know, the man of peace. Yeah, man. Another day, give thanks to the seat and I will set the violence of the streets. The 12th of December. I say happy birthday, you know, to all of the December people. Sagittarius, is it? Yeah, man, in this vlog, you don't know, we have RT Bass are going in blood sacrifice with spice. You see me? Boy, I tell you. Ganggoolie, I tell you about friendship, and it's a thing I always say all the time. That is why I highlight it, because Ganggoolie, I say, long time, big up Ganggoolie. I will run through a music video. Name Peppermint. So I say by the artist name Clinch. I don't know all courtesy around Sycamore. Yeah, so I say, yeah man, so viewers and subscribers don't go away now. We have all the vibes in. We are forward.
Everything on Linefoot TV, fully balanced. Mikey Bash for the balance boss to that. Linefoot TV to the universe.
Alright, don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss an update when I put one out saying, click the bell and click all. You see me I say? Yes, man. Alright, so first and foremost, here a Ganggoolie I say, related to friendship. Some people say I'm a friend and them are not a friend, you know.
Let me teach you something about friend. Every friend have a next friend. So sometimes the people them you have as your friend don't have you as no friend. So when you yap and chat about things around them, where you claim say your friend, them carry back your name to the people them where they have as for them friend. So that's why friend kill friend. Because them not expect to get a bullet from them friend. And when you're dead and gone, people are going to say, them are did friend. That's why me not keep friend.
Yes, man, I real talk, man. That's why me not keep friend. I mean, I hang out and susu around friend. Because you go say something and them go say back something where you never say. And other hand where you never say and you end up lose your life. Nobody don't know where you lose your life. I'm gonna pray you. You see me? And I them engage in an argument, you know. You see me? As a thing, I always tell my little brother them, say, yo, careful when I surround people, hang around with people, and people chat people, and people can bring back your name. If you hear people, you walk away from it, from the susu. Because you're dead, and I'm going to say you did say what you never say neither, you did say, you see me? Yeah, man, enough time there when people, I hear people are susu, and people are try susu, and I just try ignore, laugh it off or ignore it. I'm not escalate, not add nothing for nothing. I just laugh it off and smile. Because you can't trust people. Yes, my people. I really talk Ganggoolie. You see me? But let me know in the comment section below what you think where Ganggoolie I say. You see me? I real talk, man.
Send on the link, send on. Make it that fast as a quint. The wake her up just like peppermint. Oh, yes. The jot the tape me just as she love every inch. The jot the tape me just as she love every inch.
Yes, man, I sang the name Peppermint, so we're going to run through it at the end of this vlog, so make sure to stay tuned. Bad music video by Clinch. But you see, RT Bass, I go have some sitting on him Instagram. I said, Jaja. The man I go on something, I say, yo, lawsuit and court case with Spice. You know, Spice, he say, RT Bass touched the little boy. I say, me and RT Bass, I say, a defamation of character, a Spice. Pay the boy if he say so. You see me? Me don't know if I true or a lie, but to see RT Bass now, I go have some sitting on him page. When you can go over there, we can't show no the video them, but I take some picture, I have to blur them out still, because I know a YouTube thing, you see me? And some goat him go on, bust off the goat head and be only for red substance and them thing there, you see me? Food to feed the dopey and all of them thing there, you see me? So, yeah man, we're going to show you what I go on. Watch what I go on. Yeah man, so as I say, if you want to see the full video, go over RT Bass Instagram. It was posted 7 hours ago. But I'm going with a bag of sitting over there. I tell you, that's too much. You see me? But this is how caption. Victor Court, I think he mean victory. Victor Court case. RT Bass versus Spice 2025 lawsuit. You see me? Spiritual orders. Fix that bitch. You see me? I say, as I can see 7 hours ago. So go over there and go watch it. I tell you, say, man, I go on a bag of thing, goated, a black and a white goat, you know, and what if a red substance in the bucket and whole heap of food dish out in a plate and all of them things there. Yo, me I tell you. But you know, the mother RT Boss had filed lawsuit when they show the proof, the letter. Zine said 2025 the lawsuit has started. And so I guess he must have fixed things so he win the case. You know, all of them have them people where them go to, you know. Spice of our people where she go to, you know. Don't take them lightly, because all of them was friend and them know them things. You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. I just say a thing that they want me. I tell the saying God we trust, you know. You see me I say? Yeah, man.
She shoulda know say a me name Clinch. She shoulda know say a me name. Me jot it here, me just as she love every inch. Me jot it here, me just as she love every inch.
Yes, man, the artist that goes by the name of Clinch. And this song is titled Peppermint. Bad music video, the girl them a go out with themselves. You see it?
Gala watch our style on a pretty profile. Money stack, it a pile, it a float, River Nile. Gala watch our style, go to shoes, pan the style. Gala sleep on the bed, summer sleep on the tile.
Yo, you're the man of flow, man. Clinch, how you find a flow, yeah? Gala watch our style, money flow, River Nile. Gala watch our style. You see me say? Yo, the girl them mad, you know. The girl them can dance. Them not like the artist a go on, the song a bad, and the rhythm too, the rhythm kick way.
The friend tell me have a lot of them. A diamond and a copper them. Every night me on top of them. Lock down and I back of them.
Yeah, the man change the flow. Different girl, we have a lot of them. Diamond and no copper them. Every night me on top of them. Lock down and I back of them. You know, say a back shot that in the back, I see that. Different girl, we have a lot of them. A diamond and no copper them. Mad man, metaphor assemblies. That's what I say. Clinch, mad.
Send on the link, send on. Me get as fast as a quint. Me wake her up just like peppermint. Oh, yes. Me jot it here, me just as she love every inch. Me jot it here, me just as she love every inch.
Yo, the real gal is them, you know. We know how to get gal, you know. I gonna love that song, yeah. The man say, send on the link. And get it as fast as your queen. You know, when I see a girl like dry down pan her and say, yo, roll screw, no shy thing, you know. Send on the link. As I say, man say, met her up like peppermint. She get the tape measure and she love every inch. You know, the girl them love them big thing, you know. Them know, little bit, itsy bitsy beady, you know.
She shoulda know say a me name Clinch. She shoulda know say a me name. Me jot it here, me just as she love every inch. Me jot it here, me just as she love every inch.
Yes, man, big up yourself, Clinch. That one you bad peppermint. That's what I say. Yeah, man, I watch the video and I say, yo, know what the time for drop it out, you know? Yeah, man, people, the artist named Clinch and the song titled Peppermint. The official video is out now on YouTube and the song is available on all digital platforms. So, you do the right thing and go support the artist. But we're going to leave the link pinned in the comment section. Make it easier for you. Just click the link and go watch the video and drop a comment. Make him know it's a lion foot for sending over there. You see me? Support for support. That's what I say. Yes, my people. Yeah, man. Peppermint.
Send on the link. Send on the link. Send on the link. Send on. Me get as fast as a quint. Me wake her up just like peppermint. Oh, yes. Me jot it here, me just as she love every inch. Me jot it here, me just as she love every inch.
Yes, but we got the production team for that music video. The production is fat. I like it. I love the rhythm, I love the flow, the style of the lyrics, everything. The video, the graph of the girls, them. Yes, man. Big up on yourself. Job well done. You don't know now, Lion Foot, the man of peace, and big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, and click the bell. Peace and love, and the man of peace.